He said listen to the ringtone, yeah that's the trap phone. Hit me early in the fucking mall, he need a fucking bird, and that's the fucking word. See me posted late night on that fucking curb. This that club banger, this that trap music. I don't give a fuck, nigga, you just gotta do it. Like Nike, I just do it. When it come to work, I just move it. I be moving fast, I be on the block, I be in the trap, know I'm in the spot. I be whipping up about a quarter chicken. Watch, man, I can show you how to whip it. Plus, I'm on the block for the whipping. And it came from a quarter chicken. How much you make, man? Got a Honda Civic. That shit the move to work. How much work is it? Nothing fit in the trunk in the back. Let me answer the phone.